गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम डॉक्टर एच एस कुमावत। जैसा कि हम ओवरहेड देख रहे थे, जिसमें आज हम देखेंगे अंडर एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड ओवर एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ ओवरहेड्स। व्हाट इज़ द अंडर एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड व्हाट इज़ द ओवर एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ ओवरहेड्स? The difference between the overheads absorbed and the overheads incurred is called under and over absorption of overheads. Now we see what is the over absorption. When overheads charged to production are greater than the actual, means absorbed overhead is greater. In other words, if the overheads absorbed are higher than the actual overheads incurred, it is called over absorption. Now we see under absorption. If actual overheads are more than the overheads absorbed, it means overhead absorbed are less. The excess is known as under absorption. In other words, if the overheads absorbed are lower than the actual overheads incurred during the accounting period, it is called under absorption. Now we see the causes or reasons of under or over absorption of overheads are: error in estimating the overhead expenses, error in estimating the level of production, measure unanticipated changes in the methods or process of production, seasonal fluctuations in production and overhead expenses. Under or over utilization of capacity. The actual hours worked may be more or less than the estimated hours. The actual overhead costs are different from budgeted overheads. Both actual overhead cost and the actual activity level are different from the budgeted cost and levels. The absorption method used may not be correct. Extraordinary expenses might have been incurred during the accounting period. Major changes might have taken place. Example: replacement of manual labor with machines, replacement of general purpose machine with automatic high speed machine, increase in level of capacity. Now the next reason is seasonal fluctuations in the overhead expenses from period to period. In the next class, we will discuss about the treatment of under and over absorption of overheads. And write off to the costing P&L account or carry over to the next year's accounts. I hope you understand about the over absorption and under absorption. I repeat it again. Over absorption means over absorption is more than the actual. means overheads absorbed greater than the actual overheads. And under absorption is if actual overhead is greater than the overheads absorbed.